Hi, my name is King, number 16 from M3/5. Today I will present you about a job. First is game designer. So game designer is a job that plan how game look like and plan how it play. The game designer can be challenging because it requires creatively and careful thinking. The game designer must create funny systems that make people interested. It's sometimes hard, but this job is very rewarding when your people love your game. And this job can be also talk with team to brainstorm idea to make a real game. And the second is broker. Broker is a job that you uh you help client to buy or sell a thing like stock or property. So this job is requires skilled persons who can understand about market. This this job is very straightforward because a price in the market can be changed every time. But however, a good broker can help clients to make a smart decision, and the broker can can use a good communication to explain clearly about a choice that to clean. And third is chef. The chef is a job that prepare and cook food in the kitchen. So the chef is very work with very fast pace because they because there are many order came in the same time. The chef should stay organized to make every dish accurate and tasty. So should work with team to coordinate with other kitchen staff. The work is will be busy, but being a chef was fun and creatively. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.